So to start on the ball joint, you basically take your long nose plier or screwdriver if you have any, and the flat screwdriver that you'll need. Okay, you'll have two. Take this, straighten it like this. The reason why you're doing this is because you have to remove the cotter pin. This cotter pin acts as a safety device that prevents the castle nut here from coming out. Once that's out, we want to remove this. Now, what you want to do is you just want to remove this much only, right? You don't really want to take this thing out. The reason is because we're going to have to hit this thing so that it'll loosen. Right now, this thing will not want to come out. The reason is because of the tension that is placed on this bolt, this nut, when we squeeze them together, tighten it together. There is sort of like, I don't want to say a welding process, but the metal between this and the metal between that spindle has been pressed really tight together, so it's sort of like a weld. Okay, but it's not really a weld, if you get what I mean. It sort of like sticks together, so we'll have to shock this to make it come loose, and we need a special tool. So now go get that special tools. That special tool comes in the form of a 3-pound hammer. So where you want to hit somewhere here or here. You don't want to. A lot of people make the mistake of hitting this thing till it's really ugly in the face. That's not where you hit. You want to hit around here. Okay. Right here. Oh. Strike one. Okay. There you go. And that comes off. There you go. That's how you hit it. And look at this. The boot here is already off, which means this ball joint right here it's just a matter of time before it disintegrates, and you'll be kissing asphalt. All right, so that's how you do it. Let me loosen the brake line here, and then we'll remove this thing right here. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this thing to see how this thing looks like inside. All right, so it looks to me that somebody have installed this before. The reason why I say so is because they used it doesn't look original. Okay, all right, so this thing comes out. This boot comes out. Okay, so inside of here there is a I don't know what it's called, a C-clip. Okay, let me clean this with brake cleaner and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, this thing here has a C-clip thingamajig. So you need a C-clip remover to pry this thing open like that. Okay. However, I can't just do this with one hand, so I'm going to do this with two hands. Okay. There you go. C-clip comes off. Put this aside. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to attempt to hit this out. Okay. And let me see. I'm gonna put something underneath so that it'll support. It won't go up and down like this while I hit. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to pound this out with a 3-pound hammer, alright? And there it is. That comes out.
Easy.
Yeah.